Now I'm going to put the chains on, because this is the neck, another neck. It could be like 100, and they walk in a single file. And this is how they put the weight. They put it on the neck this way, and because I think this thing should be like a 15 to 20 kg. You understand? So after some time, because of it will stay long on their neck.
Yeah.
After, if they remove the chain, it will deform. They will not be able to stand upright again.
Yeah.
Because it's so heavy on their neck. Now, this is the slave drinking bowl. Now, they normally place this at the outside, okay, or in the compound where the slave live. Now, they open the ground, they'll bury it to this level. This is the level here. They now fetch water into it. Now, 20 slaves have to surround this. They will kneel down. They put their mouth inside the water like an animal this way.
Yeah.
You understand? They take. Then another 20 will come around again. They go the same way. Then another 20. Now, as we are taking the water will be reducing. Now, if the water gets so low, while they were struggling to drink the water, if you look at the edge, it's so sharp. It will cause them. Imagine blood into the water. Mucus. The next slave to consume have no choice. Still have to take the water with blood and mucus. If you refuse taking the water till next day, because water is just once in a day.